Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Pergi ke pasar, membeli bandu, bandu dibeli warnanya terang. Selamat malam, rombongan Maninu. Selamat datang di Ramah Minang. Larinya nunduk, padahal yang boncengan terlihat tunduk. Memang Maninu yang kita sebut, tapi seluruh rombongan yang kami maksud. I ask to the Almighty God that always blesses us in running of our activities, and one of them is our event this evening gala dinner. Distinguished guests, we say welcome to West Sumatra. Thank you for your coming to all of you in attending our gala dinner invitation, and I hope this event also can heighten our relationship. Tercium harum bakar gurami, satu ekor dimakan bertiga. Yang penting adalah silaturahmi, negara kita adalah bertetangga. Datang dengan air Asia di ujung landasan Pantai Sanur. Dulu saya merantau ke Malaysia, tamatan Malaysia lah saya jadi gubernur. Dunia sebuah kaktus warna-warni bunga seruni. Jangan silaturahmi sampai terputus. Sering-seringlah tuan-tuan datang ke sini. We are very happy for you coming here and hope that you enjoy during your stay in West Sumatra by seeing the beauty of West Sumatra nature and its culture. Datang ke Padang menjelang petang, baru sekali melangkahkan kaki. Kami senang tuan-tuan datang, tamu datang katanya rezeki. In my speech, allow me to give you Melayu book, we call it pantun, because Minangkabau is part of Melayu ethnic. So allow me to give you some pantun for this my speech. Gadis berkerudung jangan dirayu, kalau berbicara cobalah santun. Tanah Minang adalah rumpun Melayu, makanya saya pidato dengan pantun. On this occasion, I would like to deliver about Sumatra roughly. The Sumatra province is one of province in Indonesia. It has around 6 million population. Warna merah sebagai bata, membangun rumah sebelum pesta. Penduduk Sumbar ada 6 juta. Satu provinsi, 19 kabupaten kota. It consists of 12 regencies, led by regents, and 7 municipalities led by mayors. The Sumatra province is led by governor. The governor of Sumatra province is the result of democratic election. It means that the Sumatra people choose the governor directly by giving their personal vote directly in election. And the governor is not appointed by president. And differently the system in Malaysia, the Menteri Besar is appointed by the Prime Minister, but in Indonesia, governor is elected by election. So I've been as the governor of West Sumatra province for the second term. Memang di Bali Pantai Sanur, Pulau Bali, Pulau Dewata, provinsi dipimpin oleh gubernur, kabupaten kota oleh bupati. West Sumatra is one of the main tourist destination in Indonesia because West Sumatra has a rich in cultural values, natural beauty, and culinary tourism. Ada spread, ada juga Fanta, air putih jadikan syarat. Banyak juga destinasi wisata, tapi semuanya masih belum semua digarap. Ladies and gentlemen, the most ethnic in West Sumatra province is Minangkabau. I think about 90% in West Sumatra. And we have some unique culture. For example, we call it merantau. Merantau is that Minangkabau people tends to move to other regions, like to other province, or even abroad, to find better living and develop their potencies. And most of them are as traders. And some of our people move to Negeri Sembilan, Malaysia. So many people from the West Sumatra move to Malaysia, especially in the Negeri Sembilan. Kuat letusannya Gunung Krakatau terasa keras berdarah lambung. Kaum laki-laki banyak merantau, hanya sedikit yang tinggal. Tak ada galang, pakailah penggalang, sampah didorong, bawaan dipegang. Ada yang merantau ke Negeri Sembilan, umumnya banyak berdagang. Tak hidup pakailah rakit, yang penting sampai di pulau. Yang tinggal di kampung lebih sedikit daripada masyarakat yang merantau. Di Sambar Walet Sirama-Rama, burung walet tidak sendiri. Sekali setahun mereka pulang bersama, biasanya hari raya Idul. Itu biasa disebut pulang kampung. Back to village once a year. For example, in the Idul Fitri atau hari raya. And the second one, I would like to deliver about the matrilineal system, because it's the specific system and only one in the world. When I heard so far that matrilineal system only in West Sumatra province. I don't know for the other region that they has the same matrilineal system or not. Matrilineal system is the term of marriage that children follow mother. Yeah, children follow mother hereditary line. This makes Minangkabau culture different from other culture. That in the world where most of the children are based on father hereditary line. This is the matrilineal system, for example, in the West Sumatra. The children follow mother hereditary line in Minangkabau. Mothers have more important role than fathers, like in terms of children education, inheritance, and others. And in matrilineal system, daughter is a crown to the continuity of the heritage. Gelar adat sudah melekat banyak hal yang menjadi tabu. Garis keturunan Minang adalah matriarkat, pewaris harta adalah pihak. Ada jam gadang yang lebih tinggi, Merapi Senggalawi dua sisi. Kaum perempuan dijunjung tinggi, yang laki-laki hanya mengawasi. Orang jauh jangan dikenang, kisah lama jangan diulang lagi. Beruntunglah jadi perempuan Minang, jadi laki-laki tak berhenti. Rasa asam untuk gunung habiskan gunung sesudah makan. Laki-laki di Minang adalah pelindung, menyelesaikan persoalan sana persoalan. Berikutnya, the characteristic of the West Sumatra people is the traders, the people as traders. Minangkabau people are successful as traders, not only in the whole province in Indonesia, but also abroad, mainly in Malaysia, for example, Negeri Sembilan. Many Minangkabau people to merantau and trade in Malaysia. The other ones, the characteristic of West Sumatra people is the egalitarian. Egalitarian, not patron kind, but egalitarian. Minangkabau people have the principle that the level of all of the people are equal. There is no higher position one or lower position one. But For the leaders have one step forward and one level higher than their followers. This is the egalitarian in West Sumatra. Yeah. Communication between people becomes smooth because of the egalitarian system. Kini langkah kendaraan skuter, jenis skuter banyak disiapkan. Masyarakat Minang, masyarakat egaliter, tidak hanya percaya dengan ucapan. West Sumatra also has the great potencies on various sectors like tourism, trade, education, and other sectors, but all of them still need investment to develop that potencies. Ambil sepiring kue talam, letak di meja makan di beranda. Kita mulai menggali sumber daya alam, tapi investornya belum ada. Mr. Datuk Seri, I invite you to come to West Sumatra, bring the investor to explore our natural resources, not only in the tourism sector like the resort, hotel, and the others. Terasa penat membawa motor, beban dibawa juga berat. Kita berharap ada investor menanamkan modal di Sumatera Utara. Hitung-hitung dengan kalkulator, harus jelimet juga sabar. Ada yang berminat jadi investor, peluang investor terbuka lebar. Teh secangkir tetap ditadah, teh diantar untuk peserta rapat. Syarat investor sangatlah mudah, ide usaha pun bisa cepat. Paham Datuk Seri? Paham.
Bentar lagi mau jawab.
Ya, please you write the pantun for me. Untuk di speech. Jangan sampai kalah dengan saya pada Datuk Seri.
Malam kita akan kalah.
Yeah. Besides the unique cultures, West Sumatra also has great potencies on tourism object and culinary tourism. Beautiful tourism objects, West Sumatra is also famous with its natural beauty. It has many tourism destinations like beautiful beach, mountains, fascinating lakes, canyon, waterfall, flyover. You can imagine flyover in West Sumatra different with you have in Malaysia because of flyover in West Sumatra among the forest, and we have about the 100 meters height and more than 1 kilometer length. I think this go to 50 kota in West Sumatra. So we have the flyover between the forest, and also we have the historical tourism objects that can inform us about the Minangkabau cultural background. Furthermore, we also have surfing area in Mentawai Island, one of regencies in West Sumatra that is known as the 5th biggest wave in the world, besides diving and snorkeling area and the others. The great tourism potencies right now, Mr. Datuk Seri, still need investment to develop those facilities. Maybe you can develop the hotels, resort, transportation access, supermarket, and other facilities. I invite you, and we are very glad if you come here, bring the investor. And then I want to mention about the culinary tourism. Nasi Padang. You know Nasi Padang? Nasi Padang is the famous name for the restaurant Padang. Nasi Padang also available in Singapore, available in Malaysia. Padang is this city, the capital city of West Sumatra. West Sumatra has many kinds of culinary, and one of them is rendang. Rendang is our specific food, and CNN. You know CNN? CNN. What does stand for the CNN? CNN. Apa nama sebenarnya?
Television channel.
Cable News Network, CNN, has declared rendang as the most delicious food in the world, but not only one, this twice. So rendang has been worldwide. At think in this gala dinner, we serve you rendang. Please you eat rendang, and can you please add depend on you like once, twice, or twice. By using technology right now, rendang is durable. Its durability can be 1 year. We can find the Kabo restaurant everywhere in Indonesia, including in some countries in the world, and famous to them with the Padang restaurant. Besides rendang, West Sumatra is also famous with Padang rice. We call it nasi Padang, and produce various delicious snacks as souvenir for tourists who visit West Sumatra. Memang ular hewan melata dengan daun kadang serupa. Nikmatilah semua destinasi wisata kuliner kelezat Jakarta dulu. Sejauh-jauh mata memandang, jangan pernah pikiran kosong. Cicipilah enaknya masakan Padang, walaupun hanya agak sepotong. Berikutnya, shopping tourism. Padang provides many shopping place for various handicraft, for souvenir, specific snacks, and traditional food. You can enjoy traveling, have the food, and buy souvenir. Now please enjoy our gala dinner, and we also serve you many kinds of food and regard like staying at your house. Also in this time we will perform some kind of entertainment, including professor. You will have nice present during you stay in Padang, as well as your program will be successful and goodbye. Panjang-panjang si tali benang kalau dipotong dengan pisau belati. Yang penting tamu-tamu merasa senang, kami menunggu dengan senang hati. Panen cabai berjumpa dengan semua sukses, semoga sukses acara di sini. Semua tamu itu merasa puas, semoga sukses semuanya. Moreover, our relationship will be tight in the future. Nikmati juga tari indah, pedang indah memang bergerak. Lama-lama tinggal di mana? Kalau lama kami pun tak marah. Banyak ulahnya sekuda belang, akhirnya kuda masuk jurang. Semoga selamat puan-puan kembali pulang. Datanglah ke Padang berpulang-pulang. Ini bukan halaman, ini juga pohon-pohonan. Datanglah ke Padang bawa teman. Satu pesawat pun bawa tak apa-apa. Ini Dato' ini diskriminasi sama saya. Ke Bangka Belitung Pak Wakil Gubernur bawa berapa pesawat? Satu pesawat penuh. Orang Malaysia dibawa. Sini hanya 60 dibawa. For next time, I think you bring one flight ya, come to Malaysia to Padang. Ya, terima kasih Pak Dato' Sri. Kini Padang kotanya bersih karena masyarakat patuh-patuh. Cukup sekian, terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for your attention.
Terima kasih para gubernur semuanya yang telah menyampaikan sambutan. Dan tak lupa kami ucapkan selamat datang kepada Ibu Haja Nevi Irwan Prayitno. Boleh Bapak dan Ibu kenal bahwa Ibu Nevi adalah istri dari Bapak Gubernur Sumatera Barat. Tepuk tangan.